We use and tell it great. You gave them your three chassis great. You great Charlie, my great Chappy, Charlie, Nini, we will love me. So why not tell it great?